It's turkey season. We're gonna brine some turkeys.
Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna air dry it for a couple days.
We want that, instead of that normal pat dry, we air dry it so that we get that nice crispy skin.
And then we're gonna inject it. We're gonna do a reverse liposuction. We're not gonna suck fat out.
No.
We're gonna inject fat in with a lemon butter.
Plump.
And then once it plumps up, we're gonna rub it. We're gonna give it the Glen Ivy treatment. And then we're gonna throw it in the smoker. But with all of that, we have to start doing this. And we're gonna do over 150 turkeys, guys, which is a lot of turkeys. So this is the stuff that we have to do. And I'm sure that we're gonna make the most flavorful turkeys. I mean, look, we're all quarantining, so, right? You're quarantining. This is gonna be for your household, the 4 people, 5 people in your house, not the 100 people that you usually have. We should at least eat well.
100%.
Amboy quality means you know we're gonna get some really good ass fucking turkey. So, first things first, we're gonna make a brine concentrate. Very simple for everyone at home. This is already kind of on, so it might sizzle. Ooh. 5 quarts of water. Now, water is important because, and I don't want to hear that, oh, you're just adding water to it. Yeah, okay. You're adding water to it, but you're also adding other things that bring some more to the Thanksgiving party. This is how easy it is, guys. I just poured water in. The flavor bomb lemon juice. Our favorite Diamond Crystal Kosher Salt, sponsor us. Ground ginger, peppercorns, the temperature up, give this a whisk. What you want to do is just get this salt dissolved. You want that powdered ginger, the water, the salt, the pepper, the lemon juice to marry, to synergize.
Synergize.
Super easy to do, for real, guys. You don't skip this step. You could dry brine, you could wet brine.
Just brine your turkey.
Make sure you season your fucking turkeys, guys.
Inside and out. This is the inside step.
Look, and there's probably some of you advanced people who already know how to do this. This video ain't for you.
Watch the next one, watch the next one.
This is for all my TikTok quarantining first-time millennial people. Right here. That's it. I mean, you can smell it. It smells great. The salt is dissolved. We're gonna bring it to temp.
You don't even need to boil it.
No.
The whole goal is maybe like light, just hot enough to dissolve the salt.
Yeah, you're gonna know when this thing isn't as cloudy. And that's it, friends. That's how you brine it. Catch us back in like 2 minutes, or, and for you, a second, and we'll throw this in some ice.
Hey, cut to the next scene.
Dunk it. The salt solution has already dissolved, but it's hot and it's salty as fuck. 2 things you can't put the turkey in yet. Why?
That's cold turkey, hot brine. That's dangerous.
So make sure you cool this shit down first.
Ooh.
Before you put your turkey in. This is made out of water, guys.
Bro.
So you don't fret. There's no weird algorithm where you have to think 1 + 1, 5, carry the 3. Water.
I can't
Go
math.
for it.
Shout out to Sonics for this favorite recipe. What are you, blizzards? Oh yeah!
We want to go up to 10 liters.
That melts. Boom.
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 We start off with 5 quarts of the brine solution.
Concentrated.
We've watered it down with another 5 quarts of crushed ice. And make sure you give this a nice mix. This is gonna cool your brine down so that you could actually throw your turkey in this bad boy. Shout out to Shelton. Love you guys, been using you guys for years, especially at Eggslut. If you like the Eggslut sausage sandwich, it's made with Shelton turkeys. So I have here an 18 to 20 pound. This one I think is 17 pounds. This is definitely not gonna make the video. People will fucking cringe. All right, so I'm gonna grab the neck bone out. So this is usually stuffed in there. And then if you open the turkey neck hole here, there's probably a bag of giblets.
Gibbies.
Ding, 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 ding. Giblets. This is how it looks pre-brined. And then this is how it looks after we brine it and air dry it in the refrigerator. All right, so this is gonna go in. We're gonna throw it in for no more than 24 hours. Throw a lid on this bad boy. Shit'll be ready to go. It's turkey time. It's turkey time. This is half a turkey. We split this one in half after we smoked it. Oh, we let it rest. We split it in half purely because I'm saving the other half for my family, and I wanted to do this half for y'all. Give you guys some ending to all of this turkey madness. Let's just recap.
Let's go recap.
Recap.
All right, flashback. Listen to my voice. Look at these clips. Pull the turkey out of the bag, patted it dry, put it in some wet brine, 24 hours. Pulled it out of the brine, another 24 hours, let it air dry.
Air dry in your refrigerator, uncovered. Let that skin dry out. Let all that brine do its thing on the inside. Pellicle. But build that nice skin on the outside.
Yeah. Then, homie over here injected it. What'd you inject it with?
I injected it with the lemon butter that I made by reducing lemon juice and then whipping butter into it.
Nice, nice.
So we did a reverse liposuction.
Plump. All right. Then you put a little rub on there.
It's our Amboy asada seasoning.
Nice, nice.
We just season the outside, try to get that nice texture crust on the outside. I think that's what makes the turkey extra special.
Boom. Fired up the smoker. What temp did we put this bad boy in?
We smoked it at around 300 degrees. Leg side to the firebox.
Boom, boom.
And then we cooked it for about 3 hours.
Here we are.
Yeah, we wrapped all the parts that got dark first in foil so that the rest of the bird could catch up. We cooked it to 165. Now it's time to cut her open, give it a taste test. Let's go.
Maybe we'll lifty.
Yeah, give it a lifty. Ooh. Hello. Juices are running clear. Looks great.
Breast is looking good. Look at that skin, dude.
Boom. And this should just pop out. Grab that tender. Voila.
Steamy. Look dreamy.
Looks great. It's cooked all the way through, so y'all ain't squeamish about the redness. I'm gonna slice a couple. It's nice and hot in the middle. All right, there you go. So that's the breasts.
Look at that.
I think it looks great. Let's give it a taste test.
Before you even taste test, come in here and zoom in on the juice.
Oh, zoom. Zoom. Mommy.
That is a juicy turkey breast. Shout out to the brine for doing its time. Skin. Look at that perfect golden brown skin on my golden brown skin.
Cheers.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Lemon butter.
Yeah, it comes out. Mm-hmm. You don't even need like herbs and stuff like that. Lemon butter.
No, lemon butter. I gotta put another recipe up there, how to do a lemon butter to inject into your poultry. But the exterior is delicious.
Like you want to bleak a little bit, but so good.
It's super moist.
Yeah.
It's so tender. Shelton Farms, wow, delicious.
Shout out to Disneyland for pumping out a bunch of these a year.
That's way better than the Disneyland turkey leg though. No disrespect. If you haven't smoked turkey, this is a great way to have your Thanksgiving turkey, or any holiday turkey for that matter. Christmas, or is Christmas canceled?
Nah, dude, 2020 is canceled.
Holidays, for your holiday turkey, fuck with smoking your turkey. Smoking your turkey is great.
Oh.
You might as well. Yeah, I know y'all got Traegers.
Hey, but for those who fry their turkeys, don't be a dumbass and fry it after you brine it. Air dry your turkey. You know what water and hot oil do? Not mix.
Kaboom.
Show it like a piece of makeup right there. Where's that oyster at? Right here?
Yeah.
Grab that.
Whoa.
Right there, grab that oyster. For those of you who don't know the oyster, there's a French word for there. There's a French word for it. You'll find it up here if they find out what it is.
It's this guy right here.
It literally, I think it translates to like the missing piece or the forgotten piece.
Yeah, this is the
Always forgotten when people are like rookies with fabbing poultry.
piece de resistance.
Someone search that word for me. It's like chicken oyster. Shooters.
Thanks, y'all. Thanks for watching. Oh, fuck.
God damn it.